Hello guys, welcome to our channel. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe now. Let's move into the video. A fruit concerns and uses jackfruits. Because of its delicious, sweet taste and various health benefits, it has gained popularity. The flesh is not, however, the only part of the fruit you can eat. A single jackfruit can contain 100 to 500 edible and nutritious seeds. The seeds are typically discarded in spite of their beneficial nutrients. Jackfruit seeds are nutritious compared to other tropical fruit seeds. Jackfruit seeds pack a load of important nutrients. They contain high level of starch, protein, minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. T for 72 calories, 53 carbs, 11 grams proteins, 2 grams fat, 0 grams fiber, 0.5 grams riboflavin, 8% of research daily intake, thiamine 7% of RDI magnesium, 5% of RDI phosphorus, 4% of RDI. The seeds also contain high concentrations of 2B vitamins, thiamine and riboflavin. Lifestyle changes towards building immunity both help give energy to your body and perform other important functions. In addition, jackfruit seeds offer fiber and resistant starch, both passing undigested through your body and acting as food for your beneficial gut bacteria. Fiber and resistant starch has been associated with many powerful health benefits, including hunger control, lower blood sugar level, and increased digestion and insulin sensitivity. All about your sunshine vitamin, jackfruit seeds are an excellent source of important nutrients, including starch, protein, thiamine, riboflavin, and antioxidant. In traditional Chinese medicine, jackfruit seeds have been used as an aphrodisiac and treatment for digestive problems, among other applications. Modern research has found that other useful properties may have been found. Could have antimicrobial effects. Sometimes jackfruit seeds were used to relieve diarrhea in traditional medicine. Studies have actually shown that seeds from jackfruit may have antibacterial effects. One study found that small particles acting as antibacterial agents cover the surface of jackfruit seeds. These particles were tested against common bacteria like E. coli, concluded that jackfruit seeds could be transformed into therapeutic agents for the prevention of foodborne disease. However, to investigate the effectiveness of jackfruit seeds for these uses, more studies are needed. Some studies suggested that seeds of jackfruit may have multiple anti-cancer properties. It is believed that this is due to their impressive plant compounds and antioxidant levels. They are rich in antioxidants, flavonoids, saponins, and phenolics in particular. Studies have shown that these plant compounds can help combat inflammation, improve your immune system, and even repair damage to DNA. A recent test tube study found that seed extract from jackfruit reduced blood vessel cancer formation by 6 to 1%. However, it limited to studies of test tube and animals. To investigate whether jackfruit seeds have anti-cancer effect in humans, more research is needed. Jackfruit seeds, like other seeds, contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Fiber goes undigested through your digestive tract and helps to normalize bowel movements by adding bulk to your stools, making them softer and more frequently. Moreover, fiber is considered a prebiotic, which means it helps feed your gut's beneficial bacteria. These beneficial intestinal bacteria support healthy digestion and immune function. Many studies have found that increased intake of fiber can help relieve constipation. In addition, fiber can help protect against inflammatory intestinal disease and relieve hemorrhoid symptoms. Research also suggests that seeds from jackfruit may improve your cholesterol levels. This effect is most likely due to its high content of fibers and antioxidants. High blood pressure, diabetes, and increased risk of heart disease are associated with high level of LDL cholesterol. In contrast, it has been found that higher level of HDL cholesterol have heart protective effects. A rat study found those eating more jackfruit seeds had lower LDL cholesterol levels and increased HDL cholesterol compared to rats eating fewer jackfruit seeds. Research in this area is limited to animal studies, thus requiring further human studies. Thank you, beautiful people, for watching the video. If you liked the video, please like, comment and share. For more videos, don't forget to hit the bell button.